Hi, and welcome to Nacelle Creations. Today we are going to make a travel game. This reminds me of the old game Connect 4, and it looks like I've never made this before, but to me it makes sense that these are the two pieces that held together by the legs, and then these are the checker pieces that go down between the end of these grooves. Now, what I don't know is it looks like these little hearts are the only way to see the color of the checker that you drop down into it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see much color through these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this. I've mixed crushed crystal into some clear resin, and we're going to do the body, the main portion of the game, and the legs in the crushed crystal, and then we'll do the checkers in a pink and a blue. So hopefully, if you can't see a whole lot of it through here, you'll be able to see it through the crushed crystal. I added quite a bit of crushed crystal because I didn't want to be able to completely see through it. I wanted it to be mostly see-through. I'm going to end up with a ton of little hearts. I'm going to go ahead and pour those hearts. So I think you're supposed to go around those. I know you are, so I'm going to have to be careful not to go over the top of them, actually, if I'm going to do this. But I'm going to go over the tops. I'm not going to pay super close attention to making sure that I don't get them in the hearts, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Because if they go inside the hearts, I'll just have a bunch of little super sparkly little hearts that I can do something with. So, because otherwise that would take forever to make sure that they don't go in all those little hearts. But you do want to make sure that they're not on top. That way you can see through it. So I'm going to have to put some over here, actually. This should, in essence, be a pretty short and sweet video. This shouldn't take much to do, but you guys know how that works. And I would most definitely say you do not want to over pour these, since they have to fit in those little grooves. You want to make sure they're going to fit. You're going to want to fill them up, but I definitely would not overfill them. The leg pieces I don't think matter because they're not fitting into anything necessarily, but this piece here, you definitely want to make sure that it'll close together and fit in that hole. All right, I don't have a whole lot left, but I think I've got plenty for those. And I'm going to swirl these. Everything is cured. Small things tend to, well, they don't tend to, they do take longer to cure than larger things. So keep that in mind when you are pouring resin. That if you're pouring smaller items and larger items, the smaller ones are going to take longer to set up. They're adorable. Cute little fellers. Put some flat back bales on those. I drug this out. We got this on our last order, in our last haul. Those are pretty. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with my fingers? Cute. There's another one. Those turned out pretty. All right, start with the big pieces, I guess. Let's see how we did. Oh, I guess they're a little tiny bit soft yet. It's got a groove down in the side of that. Yeah, so you just put the two pieces together. And then you just stick it in there. Come on. There we go. Whoops. There we go. We can pop out our little pieces. Oh my goodness, they fit! Yay! And if I'd have domed these, they would not have fit. So you definitely want to make sure that you do not dome them. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Okay, I'm going to pull the rest of these out and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, they're done. It turned out really cute. The ends don't hold it together very well, so I mean, if you're not gonna, I would glue it all together, just like it is. Take all the pieces out, glue the pieces together, and then that way you don't have to worry about it coming apart and frustrating, and especially little hands. I mean, I would at least glue this piece and the back, the front and back pieces together. Oops, that way, if these do fall off on the ends, at least you don't, you know, this will hold everything in. And then I think, oh yeah, they pour out really easy. After this fully cures, I'll go around and just sand these down just a smidge so they're not sharp. These are fine. This is actually super cute. I really like it. And you see plenty of the checker through it. Oops, I gotta turn that one around. You can see plenty of the checker through it to make this a solid color instead of a see-through color if you wanted to. There's plenty of color that shows through. So that's good to know. So you can see plenty of the color through the little hearts. So, well, that was fun. Thank you so much for joining us. Like I said, this one's a super quick and easy one. This one's pretty painless. I did look on Temu. This is not available anymore. As a matter of fact, I can't find this anywhere. It's not on Alibaba? Is it Alibaba or Ally, whatever it is. I couldn't find it there. I couldn't find it on Temu. I looked on Amazon. Amazon has everything. It's not there. I can see where I purchased it on Temu, but they're not available anymore. So if that becomes available again, I'll definitely add the link to this after I get it posted. So unfortunately, at this point, you can't purchase this, but they have a lot of different games that you can purchase, like the dominoes. You can get chess pieces. You can get all kinds of different stuff. I've made chess pieces in the back in the day. I keep them. I pour them in different colors. And then I bag an entire set, each color in an entire set. And after I pour the board, then it all goes as an entire set. So there's lots of different games that you can pour in resin. This just happened to be one that I had handy. And I'm sorry that I can't link it right now. But like I said, I will watch it. And if it comes available again, I will get it linked. So in the meantime, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I hope you try it somewhere, whether it's obviously not in this unless you've already got it, or in something else. This is super cute, and this would have been a really cool thing to have put in an Easter basket. All right, you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks again for joining me, and we will catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.